Okay, here we go. Focus. Speed. I am speed. One winner. 42 losers. I eat losers for breakfast. Oh, God! Breakfast. Maybe I should have had breakfast. A little brekkie could be good for me. No, stay focused. Speed.
Oh shit, I lost a man! Ah, God! You ain't got drip.
We got cookies. Oh, shit.
You ain't got drip.
I'm just saying, we got
What kind of cookies? What kind of cookies? What kind of cookies?
You take the gun sock off. We got the peanut butter kind.
I don't like peanut butter. Hold on. Andrew, this way. You caught you sliding, Dante. People here. Head down. Move.
Hold up.
Okay, moving.
Go.
What do you guys see over here? Somebody shooting? All right. Oh, we had somebody there. Yep, I see him. Right behind you. He's not playing, watch out.
8 years of college and you led up to this moment.
Yep, I see somebody upstairs. Woo, got him. Sorry, buddy. Sorry. Hey, red. Oh, sorry. Oh shit, I'm tired.
Yo, do you want to see one?
What's that?
Who we have up there?
Yeah, oh shit, look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Hey man, hell yeah. That's cheating, they did cheating, I saw it. I saw Dante pull out the hack menu, I saw you.
What you mean I hack?
Give me that.
Grenade!
Deploying flashbang.
You shot me around the fingertip.
I'm sorry, dude.
Didn't mean to shoot you in the butt cheek, man. I'm sorry too.
We're even now.
We're even.
I have gotten the cone. Hey, motherfucker.
Give me that shit. Give me.
My cone. I'm supposed to be the one stealing.
Good game, guys. Good game.
What?
He stole the cone already. We lost.
Bro, pull up your goddamn pants. I can see your ass.
Yo.
I'm about to put a round between those cheeks.
If I have a notice, scream at me and let me know. Is it round head? Which side? However many rounds to fit in 15 minutes.
A few inches later.
What happened to you? Why are you so dirty?
I love you guys. Hey, that's how I love you. Don't you name balls? I love you.
I was not gonna think about it, but
Hey. Alright, so I'm guessing we're all going upstairs.
we should. Well, I mean, yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. Hey, what?
Fuck, who's the fastest one?
Caleb, you want to run? You want to run for it? Hey, go straight into the left. Straight to the left? Yeah, there's a
Stand on the staircase, yeah.
You get extra points in there,
You get bragging rights.
You're bragging rights, bro.
Exactly.
get kicked out.
You get kicked out. Oh, man.
Oh my god, I just rushed, bro.
Here we go, boys. Oh, thank you. Oh, man. He's just going for it. Oh, thank you.
Make sure you come back for that, alright?
Don't slip, don't slip, don't slip. Ah, fuck. Hello there.
What the fuck is the guy doing to get up there so fast?
He took all his gear off.
He just fucking sprinting it?
Yep.
Up the stairs and everything? The game's over.
I don't need to. Yeah.
Alright, you can come to my door.
Actually, if I'm gonna stay on the back, I might use them. No! No! No!
I got 3 bullets in there. I can hit all 3.
I think I have plenty.
I'm not afraid to shoot you just because you're.
Say what?
Okay, you're gonna have to repeat that again. Long slung all day long.
Yeah.
Here, wait, can I take that trash can?
Okay.
Hey, wait, is someone on your team at the radio?
I got Dante and I got Alex.
420, what you smoking? I've captured one of yours. You will be next.
No.
Hey, bye.
Appreciate.
JK, just kidding, I'm good.
I do. I believe in you, Alex. I definitely didn't just sell all of your assets.
Okay, I believe you. Wait, hold on, what?
I know we on.
Do you guys have the riot shield outside?
Can I go yet? Tell him not to go yet.
At the front or the back?
Yeah, they're getting ammo.
I don't know really.
They're trying to cheap us some people.
Reaper, come in. Go for plan Alpha B2741.
We don't have time like that. Yeah, now we do. So just fucking run in there.
I got this.
Yes. That's true. It's a fact.